When you drop a speaker into water, physics says it's over before it starts. But what if we told you sound can defy gravity itself? This isn't just about water resistance, it's about breaking the rules of how waves travel underwater. Let's find out if bass can race against the fastest man on Earth, and win. Watch as a JBL speaker dives beneath the surface, its powerful bass frequencies colliding with water in ways that seem impossible. This isn't just about resistance, it's about seeing sound behave in a way that defies gravity itself. Watch as a JBL speaker takes the plunge, sending shockwaves through water in ways that challenge the laws of physics. This isn't just about sound, it's about proving that bass can defy gravity itself. Watch as frequencies collide with H2O, creating splashes that challenge everything we know about resistance and speed. What happens when a JBL speaker isn't just blasting bass through air, but through water? This is the ultimate test of power and precision. Can it outpace the fastest man on Earth in an underwater race against time itself? This wasn't just a test of speaker power, it was a challenge to our understanding of how sound behaves underwater. The results were jaw-dropping, but before you rush home to try this yourself, let's break it down. Safety first, then the wild lessons hidden in every splash. Hit subscribe if you're ready to experiment.